Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can see a router device with Magix Manager, and we have working secure folder in which everything is working perfectly. Here you can see I have basically a profile picture with the locked safety lock, but I can easily take screenshot from it. I will show it in the picture in the gallery. Here you can see I have the picture. Finally, someone saved our lives to use secure folder in Samsung rooted phones and use number of Samsung official apps like Samsung Health, Samsung Members, and other Samsung apps in your Samsung rooted phones. You also have a number of patch options for this, like secure flag allows screenshots, screening in secure apps, signature verification, signature spoofing, recovery reboot, Samsung Knox bypass Samsung trip protection secure folder. For this, I am giving you description of the XDA developers for the this Smiley patcher, for which you will use it for to actually patch your phone to use all your Samsung official apps. Here is the Google Drive link. Actually, you have to download it. I have already downloaded the file. After that, you have to extract it in your local disk or somewhere in desktop. I already have done it in here and opened it already. Now you have to select all the uh, patches options which you need. For example, I have to select all the patch options. Guys, please make sure you have backup your device through your recovery tool or any other recovery application. Now you have to turn on the developer option from first you have to allow developer options. Now you have to turn on USB debugging. As I have already connected my device with my system. Now I have basically two options. I will recommend this option by running this Smiley patcher, run as administrator. After that, it will automatically download all the binaries. Now I have already said that I have connected my device. Now I will select all these patch options. Now I will start ADB patch. It will automatically start patching my device, and it will after that it will make a zip file, which file I will flash that file with recovery mode or Magix Manager. As you can see, it is still working. It is basically making the merged patched Magix template, which is downloading the zip file after merging it. So you have to wait for it till it ends. See, it has completed, and it is showing idle, and it show complete here. It has generated Magix module zip.file here. This is the file. Now what you have to do, you have to copy this file and paste it to that folder, that phone in which you have to install the in which you have to basically use the as flash the this zip file. See, I have pasted it in that in phone memory or uh, SD card. Now what you have to go to your cell phone. Now I am here in my cell phone. Now I have already pasted that file in my internal storage. Here's that file. Now what I have to do, I have to go to Magix Manager and then modules, and here I have to add the file. I have go to the my cell phone. Here that is the file 9.95 MB. It depends how much how much MB it takes in your cell phone. Select this file. It will flash the file, and now you have now what you have to do, you have to basically enable the smelly patcher module in Magix Manager. You have to go to modules and enable. Now you have to again reboot your device. Here you can see I have a rooted device in which I have installed the Samsung Secure folder. I will show you here. Secure folder. Here you can see secure folder is working in the rooted device.